Hi everyone, welcome to week 5. Well done for getting your assessments in. I've still got a few to come in still, but I'm enjoying reading them and marking them, and probably like a few of you were last week, my life is a bit crazy this week with marking assessments and school holidays and yeah, feeling a bit under the weather, but that's life, isn't it? Yeah, anyway, I hope you guys are really enjoying relaxing this week. I know for many of you it is school holidays and you are with your children, but I really want to encourage you to really engage in the learning materials for this week. This week we're really looking at your cultural story and how you can create a authentic creative arts experience for students through it. How can you help them to understand their own cultural story and use something through it? I know in group 7, both Kate and Deb have already put something up with two very different but two great ideas already. And really, guys, this is about shared practice, shared teaching. In teaching, it's all about sharing resources. If I hold on to all my resources, no one else is going to gain anything from it. And so I really want to encourage you guys to hop on. It doesn't have to be long, but have a think about it. I'd love a few of you to, hop on and share your own cultural story and perhaps a creative activity that you could do with children, either in the early primary years or in a kindergarten or childhood learning setting. So get onto it. Group 6, I'm still waiting to hear from you guys. There's a virtual chocolate for the first person who does it. If we were really face to face, I'd give you a chocolate, a real one. But yeah. Anyway, have a great rest of the week. Enjoy your Wednesday, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.